Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your name in Canva, a super quick and easy guide that only takes a few minutes. Whether you're updating your profile for personal reasons or rebranding your Canva projects, I've got you covered. First things first, log into your Canva account. Once you're on your dashboard, the place where all the magic happens, look to the upper right corner. You'll see a small gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on that because this is where we manage all your account details. Once you're on the settings page, find the Your Account section. Here, you'll see an edit button next to your current name. Go ahead and click it. Now you can delete your old name and type in your new one. Make sure to double check the spelling and capitalization. It's your personal or professional brand, so it's important to get it right. After entering your new name, click outside the box to save it. Canva usually saves changes automatically, but it's always good to make sure your update has gone through. And just like that, your name is updated across your Canva projects. Quick tip, if you run into any issues, Canva's help resources are really detailed, or you can reach out to support for guidance. That's it. A simple, fast way to make sure your Canva profile reflects exactly who you are. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, stick around for more tips and tricks to level up your Canva skills.